J Drone here. What's going on, guys? This is the Mavic Mini, and we are going to do a two roof inspection: the front roof and the side roof. We would have done the whole building. We would have went up to the clock tower, but unfortunately, as you'll notice in the trees, it is extremely windy. So even doing what I did, took a little set. It took a set, but what we're doing here is basically concentrated on the roof directly in front of us with shingles and the side roof, which you should see right now. If this building looks familiar for you, it's probably because this building has been showcased on my channel the past 2 days. The first day was just me getting in the building and showcasing the building, and then I'm doing a little bit of a work with my uncle who does this type of work. They said they needed somebody to quote a roof, and it's actually not this roof. The upper roof is a rubber membrane roof, but we figured we'd take a look at this roof and see if there's any issues. And if you have this in full screen right now, you can definitely see the detail. Again, I'm using a Mavic Mini to inspect the roof, and it's extremely windy. It's doing well. I was getting a wind advisory warning on my app, but it handled well. The Mavic Mini is definitely a drone capable of this type of work. It has a 3-axis gimbal. The quality is very good on it. This was shot in 30 frames per second. We could have shot it a lot higher, but I felt I didn't need to do so. If you're in the market for a drone, you don't need to spend $1,000 on the top tier Mavics. You can if you got the money, and clearly it'll be better than this. But this is underneath the weight restriction where you don't have to register it, just as well as you get quality. You get excellent quality for decent cost without breaking the bank. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. I'm not going to pipe in any type of music on this. Again, this was just kind of something that I was doing through the course of the day. I already posted a video on the Snaptane mini drone, foldable drone. If you haven't checked that out, please check that out. And I had this footage and I wasn't sure what to do with it. I figured maybe this would be valuable information for roofers or people in this field. You'll see me get close to this window from the ground. We were wondering what that black U on that circled window was. You'll be able to tell what it is once we decide to get close to it later in the video. It is very apparent what it is, and whether they should have did the way they did trying to seal that window, I don't know. I'm definitely no know-it-all when it comes to this. I'm getting a little bit knowledgeable. But again, if you haven't subscribed, please do. Enjoy the rest of the video. Enjoy the quality of the Mavic Mini in pretty windy weather. Later.